After more than 25 hours of deliberations now, a Grand Rapids jury is still deadlocked on whether a Wyoming mother is guilty of murder in the death of her own son in July 2017.
The jury is home and will come back tomorrow morning to try and reach some kind of conclusion.
Barton Dieters is at the courthouse right now to bring us up to date. Barton?
Right, we're really not allowed to know what goes on in the sanctorum of the jury room, but what we do know is that this jury wants to continue, and they say they're making progress. Now, this two-day trial for a murder, one of the shortest anyone can remember in Kent County, and the deliberation about to enter its fifth day, the longest deliberation anyone can remember. Just before the courthouse closed down for the day, the judge brought the 5 men and 7 women of this jury into the courtroom and asked them if they wanted to continue. They said yes and said they're making progress and want to go on. They made it clear they have decided on child abuse charges, although whether that is first or second degree or not guilty is unclear. However, the most serious charge remains undecided, murder in the first degree, which means life in prison without parole, or second degree murder, which allows for parole as a possibility. They are deciding whether they believe the prosecutor who says that 23-year-old Lovely Johnson was homicidally negligent, leaving her 6-month-old son Noah alone in a hot apartment without food or a diaper change for days until he finally horribly died. Or whether they believe the defense that this mother was unable to provide proper care for the child due to the harsh circumstances of her life. They're asked to choose between first-degree child abuse, which can be punishable by any number of years by a judge, or second-degree child abuse that has a 10-year maximum sentence. Also, with first-degree and second-degree murder, that means the difference between no possibility of parole or a chance after 25 years. Here's a look at what happened in court this afternoon.
I instructed you yesterday morning to continue working. Yesterday evening you said that you were making progress and you were willing to continue again today. Ma'am, in your opinion, are you still making progress?
Yes, Your Honor, we're making progress.
All right, then I appreciate everyone's effort sincerely, and if you would be back at 8:30 in the morning and continue as soon as you're all there. All right, thank you.
All rise, please.
Now, again, we're told this is a hard-working jury. They've taken very few breaks, and they have asked no questions today, and are continuing to look at this case. The speculation is that this is probably not one person that's holding this up, but instead there's probably some shifting going on among several jurors in this case. So we're going to stick with this. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be here for the duration until a decision is reached. Live in Kent County Courthouse, Barton Dieters, 24 Hour News 8.